Are you preparing for a Microsoft Copilot interview in 2026? Whether you're going for a Microsoft 365 admin, Azure, or IT support role, this video is for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 20 Microsoft Copilot interview questions and answers that are most commonly asked in real interviews. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share some powerful interview tips to help you crack your interview with confidence. This is Sid from Sid IT Solutions. Let's get started. So let's start with the most basic and important question. What is Microsoft Copilot? Microsoft Copilot is an AI powered assistant integrated into Microsoft tools like Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams. It uses advanced AI models to help users automate tasks, generate content, and improve productivity. Now, the next question interviewers often ask is, what are the different types of Microsoft Copilot? There are multiple versions like Microsoft 365 Copilot, GitHub Copilot, Security Copilot, Azure Copilot, and Copilot for Windows, each designed for different use cases. Moving ahead, how does Microsoft Copilot work? Copilot works using large language models, Microsoft Graph data, and user context like emails, files, and chats. It combines all this to give intelligent and personalized responses. This brings us to an important concept. What is Microsoft Graph in Copilot? Microsoft Graph is basically a data layer that connects user data like emails, calendars, files, and Teams chats. Copilot uses this data to provide context aware answers. Now, you might be asked, where can Microsoft Copilot be used? It can be used in Word for document creation, Excel for data analysis, PowerPoint for presentations, Outlook for email drafting, and Teams for meeting summaries. Next question. What are the benefits of Microsoft Copilot? It saves time, automates repetitive tasks, improves productivity, provides smart suggestions, and helps in better decision making. Interviewers also focus on security. So be ready for this. Is Microsoft Copilot secure? Yes. Copilot follows enterprise grade security, data privacy, and role based access. Also, user data is not used to train public AI models. Now, let's talk about prompts. What is a prompt in Copilot? A prompt is simply an instruction or question you give to Copilot, like summarize this email or create a presentation on cloud computing. Related to this, what is prompt engineering? It is the skill of writing effective prompts to get accurate and useful outputs from AI tools. Another very common question, how is Copilot different from ChatGPT? Copilot is integrated into Microsoft tools and uses organizational data through Microsoft Graph, making it more enterprise focused, while ChatGPT is more general purpose. Now, for developer related roles, what is GitHub Copilot? GitHub Copilot helps developers by suggesting code, auto completing functions, and speeding up development. Next, can Copilot automate tasks? Yes, it can draft emails, generate reports, analyze Excel data, and create presentations automatically. But every tool has limitations. What are the limitations of Copilot? It may sometimes give incorrect answers, requires clear prompts, and depends on the available data. Let's talk specifically about Excel. What is Copilot in Excel? It helps with data analysis, generating formulas, creating charts, and extracting insights quickly. Similarly, what is Copilot in Teams? It provides meeting summaries, highlights important discussions, and suggests action items. Security focused role, then this is important. What is Security Copilot? It is used for threat detection, incident analysis, and automating security operations. Another basic but important one. Does Copilot require internet? Yes. Since it is a cloud-based AI service, it requires an internet connection. Now from admin perspective, how to enable Microsoft Copilot? You need a valid Microsoft 365 license and the admin must enable it with proper permissions. Next, what skills are required for Copilot related roles? You should have Microsoft 365 knowledge, basic AI understanding, prompt writing skills, and security awareness. Finally, why should companies use Copilot? Because it boosts productivity, reduces manual work, enables faster decision making, and improves collaboration. Before we end, here are three powerful interview tips. Always try to give real life examples when answering. Explain Copilot as a productivity and business tool. And don't forget to mention security and data privacy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to SID IT Solutions. Please comment below what topic you want next. Thanks for watching and all the best for your interview.